So what is creating a subgroup inside your variables to merge small values into one, or you can say you can merge two related value into one segment where group can be considered. Likewise, suppose you are in a list of products where a product can be classified into IT, non-IT products. So you can make a group of IT product and you can leave the rest as IT or other elements, other product would be there. But for IT, you have grouped them in a one. So once you plot them on your visualization, you will be getting a single bar or single value would be get considered for a group. So we recommend for group wherever you have very marginal values are there for respective variables. So we recommend you should merge these variables and take a group variable where the visibility can be enhanced on visualization charts. Fine. Let's go for the set part.